everybody. We are actually about to show you something. Now, I don't know if you guys can hear me, but we're about to get a live video of these European starlings, and all they ever do is come up in our vents. See that vent up there? Yeah, that's a nice vent. Now, I'm gonna zoom in my camera, and we're gonna watch this vent, and any minute now you'll see the most amazing thing ever. Just wait and watch. Now, it might be a while, but trust me, there are starlings coming in and out of that vent. So hold on, let me pull up my chair, and we're gonna have me sit down and videotape it. I think I just saw the starling fly by. Get the camera. Nope. There it is. It's on the roof. See up? Wait for it. Come on, he's not coming up that thing, but he will. He does. He likes to sit there for a while making that noise before he goes in there. And then he lands on the wire out there, and get ready.